Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about some facts about water. Okay. So open your book to the page number 27. Take the correct answer. What is not a state of water? Oil, ice, vapor. We will take oil because oil is not a state of water. Okay. Ice is the solid state of water and vapor is the gaseous state of water. Okay. Next, which animal does not live in water? Dolphin, whale, owl. Owl does not live in water. Okay, so we have to take owl. Next, which flower does not grow in water? Rose, lotus, water lily. Lotus and water lily grow in water, right? And rose does not grow in water. So we have to tick rose. Okay. Which vehicle does not run in water? Boat, taxi, ship. So taxi does not run in water, right? So we have to tick taxi. Next, the main source of water on the earth is dash. Ponds, tube well, rain. We have to take rain because rain is the main source of water. Okay. Next, seawater taste dash. Bitter, salty, sour. Seawater taste salty. So we have to take salty. Okay. Next, we should drink dash water. Sea, clean, pond. We should always drink clean water. Okay. So we have to take here clean. Now look at here, students. Do you know our body is composed of about 60% water? Amar শৰীৰটো প্ৰায় 60% পানীৰে গঠিত হৈছে. Okay? So students, in this way you have to take the correct answers. Okay? Thank you.